Hey guys, here we are with the newest set of the best gadgets you can buy right now. There are some really outstanding things on the list, like the most fascinating marbles, a dinosaur watch, and an ultimate tool for every beatmaker. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the description box. Can't wait to get started. There are too many wires in our life, so you better have one that'll suit all your devices. This charging cable combines 3 popular interfaces in a single bundle: Lightning, Micro USB, and USB-C. And on the other side, you have a standard USB that plugs into a power adapter or your laptop. The high-quality copper cable allows fast charging and data transmission. Due to the circular body, the cables are easy to hide and carry in your pocket or bag. And you'll never have problems with tangling. The retractable design also allows 5 length modes, going from 7 inches up to 40 inches. Pick your favorite color and stop building webs with your wires. Here's something more fascinating than the coolest screens and RGB lights. A person who's been studying glassworks for 18 years creates these incredible ant marbles, all by himself. Most of them are extremely colorful, but the classic black and white ones look just as great. Most importantly, they're all based on optical illusions that create the feeling of motion. This one, for instance, is called Inverted Spider's Sunset. The marbles are super compact, so you can carry one of them in your pocket. Looks like a Christmas gift. Your eyesight may deceive you. This gadget isn't what it seems to be. Shaped as a classic SLR lens, this is actually a wireless charging dock. Compatible with iOS and Android, it delivers 5 watts power with a standard adapter and also supports the quick charge, being almost twice as fast. You'll hear a shutter sound every time your phone gets on the base, but you can actually turn that sound off. The LED indicator still shows you that the phone is charging. That's gotta be handy. A skilled man with all his tools is not that different from a superhero. So no wonder there's a toolbox that looks like Mjolnir, Thor's famous hammer. The kit comes with 44 high-quality tools, including all sorts of wrenches, 10-foot tape measure, pliers, claw hammer, and stuff like that. And the comfortable handle of the included hammer allows you to hold and carry the whole set. Despite the generous stuffing, this Mjolnir weighs about 5 pounds. When not used, it's easy to store. Plus, it's a great room accessory for every Marvel fan. Have you ever thought of a friendly cactus that'll set your mood up? Here it is. This is a cute and bright lamp that shows real human emotions. The package includes 43 reusable stickers that depict a variety of moods and fun accessories. The lamp is only 7 inches tall, so it easily fits on your desk, bookshelf, or nightstand. There's both a battery-powered version and the one with a USB charging port. Isn't it lovely? This exquisite premium watch has a nice touch of nostalgia to it. It's inspired by the tech and aesthetics which were used in automotive design in the 1950s. The high-grade titanium case clearly reminds of a jet engine. On top of that, it uses sapphire and dozens of red gold components. The balance wheels are symmetrically located under fully transparent panels. These actually look like aircraft turbines. As for the engine, it includes 301 components and 52 joules. Also, the special 3D gasket makes the watch water-resistant, so we can call it a sports watch. These days, gamers often have to delete their games to free up some space for the new ones. With this 1TB SSD, you'll never have to do that again. No need to reassemble your PC, just attach this thing with a standard USB. Type-C adapter is also included, by the way. The device is compatible with consoles as well. The 5 GB per second transfer speed ensures blazing fast performance. With the integrated Nero backup software, the SSD securely stores your files and folders. Aside from the top-notch efficiency, the gadget features a sleek and bright look. You'll get a variety of colors with the integrated LED strips. Are you into space? The realistic 3D engraving makes it look like there's a small moon inside the night lamp. And the integrated music box plays a charming melody called Castle in the Sky. Once you wind the mainspring, the moon starts rotating slowly along with the projection light on your ceiling. The bright LED lamps inside support both warm and cold white light. The brightness level is also adjustable. You'll definitely appreciate the nice natural base made of European beech. The lamp is charged with USB and works for up to 12 hours. This Hexapod robot is based on Raspberry Pi computers. It's a cool toy for those who want to learn programming and have some fun. At first, you'll have to assemble the robot from scratch with all the given details, and then, just like an actual pet, this one needs training. When you're done with the coding, the robot will have a ton of skills. It streams real-time video with the built-in camera that supports face recognition. A special sensor measures distance to other objects. The robot can crawl, turn, and rotate in various directions. More than that, it can walk with either 1 or 3 legs at a time. Body balance function will keep your pal from falling. The battery indicator shows you the battery status so you can charge it in time, and now it's almost dancing. You can control the robot with any PC, tablet, or smartphone. On top of that, it's equipped with some bright LEDs and a buzzer. And it'll carry up to 3 pounds on its back, which means it'll bring you a morning coffee in bed. No one likes to hold an umbrella in their hands, especially for a long time. Here's a solution for an ultimate hands-free experience. It's really indispensable in some cases like hiking, photography, or walking your pets. The stretchable rubber headband is easy to wear and suitable for almost any head size. And there's an additional lanyard that fastens under your chin. The umbrella measures 36 inches in diameter. That should be more than enough to keep your shoulders and body dry. Some versions also include a small upper piece with a ventilation window underneath. Opening and closing the umbrella is so simple. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in your purse or bag. Featuring several cool patterns, this thing doubles as a bold fashion accessory. Opening a jar has always been a tough challenge for all the family members. Now there's a special robot for that. The whole process takes only 10 seconds. Just place the robot on the lid, press the single button, and watch it make an easy twist, removing the tightest lid ever. This gadget is applicable for any jar size and shape. Moreover, it even handles wet or slippery jars despite the leakage. Since the robot is battery-operated, it doesn't require charging. The compact size allows convenient storage and carrying. Perfect gift for your grandparents. The wildest designer dreams indeed materialize in premium watches. This one, with its ribbed pattern, is inspired by dinosaur and reptile skins. The case is made of bronze that's precisely machined using micro sandblasting. Despite these fancy features, the watch uses the simplest way to show time. The hour indication that travels from east to west symbolizes the movement of the sun. There's also quite a lot to admire on the back. It reveals the moving turbines that regulate the winding system. Naturally, the watch is stuffed with jewels, 52 to be precise, so you can imagine the price. Here's an innovative tool for fun and easy beat making. Small 5D touch-enabled panel detects the pressure accurately and produces the sound according to the action. That allows some really neat and intuitive gestures along with complete control over your sound. The gadget's also equipped with LED lighting that provides your beats with bright visual effects. This pad is easily customizable, so you can change the functions and add new effects. Professional desktop software brings you a huge library of different sounds and patterns. On top of that, you can expand your possibilities by attaching new pads. It's really easy due to the built-in magnets. Loop block will make the whole process even faster. Beats will never be the same.